This is Inventory Pro, a complete clothing store mobile app for Android. Sign in to your full apparel catalog stays organized. T-shirts, jeans, kurtis, dresses, jackets, belts, and school uniforms, every size and SKU in one clothing product list. Add new fashion items in seconds. Enter blazer name, SKU, sale price, stock quantity, and category ready for POS billing and reports immediately. Restock from your wholesaler with purchase orders. Select Fashion Hub Wholesale, add clothing lines, and confirm stock and supplier payables update automatically. At the counter, build a real customer cart. Tap 10 clothing items, t-shirt, jeans, kurti, shirt, dress, hoodie, belt, scarf, jersey, and jacket, then check out in one bill. Stock management shows every clothing SKU, available quantity, reorder level, and low stock warnings, so you never run out of best sellers before Eid or wedding season. Open built-in business reports, profit and loss, sales totals, purchase spend, product profitability, and inventory value. See exactly how your fashion shop is performing. HR payroll, customer dues, supplier payables, cash flow, tax summary, and best-selling clothing items. 11 report tabs in one offline app built for clothing store owners.